Logic ERP Garment Retail Software. The best cloth shop billing solution. An all-in-one cloud retail software for apparel, clothing, lifestyle and fashion stores. Here's how garment retailers can simplify, standardize, and speed up their operations. Point of sale, POS. Speed up billing with lightning-fast touch POS, barcode scanning, and real-time offers. Process multiple payments and create instant invoices for every sale. Inventory management. Manage thousands of SKUs by size, color, and article. Get live stock tracking, auto reorder, and zero mismatches across stores and warehouses. Billing. Generate GST-compliant invoices, manage returns, apply discounts, and handle multiple payment modes, all in seconds. E-commerce integration. Sync online and offline effortlessly. Connect with Unicommerce, Browntape, EasyEcom, and manage all channels with real-time stock updates. Loyalty and coupon management. Reward loyal shoppers with points, coupons, and offers. Get seamless integration with third-party loyalty programs, schemes and promotion. Run flash sales, combo offers, and festive campaigns automatically applied at checkout and online. Reporting and business insights. Turn data into decisions with dynamic dashboards, mobile reporting, and auto email summaries. Accounting and finance management. Stay audit ready with integrated GST, P&L, balance sheets, and automated journal entries. Purchase management. Plan seasonal buying, manage suppliers, and track costs with multi-level approval workflows. Order management. Manage online, in-store, and custom orders, track every delivery from order to fulfillment with accuracy. Unlock automation with AI-powered retail ERP software for garment industry. Invoice generation for effortless billing and real-time compliance. Advanced barcode integration for faster billing and age tracking. Send invoices on WhatsApp to keep customers informed instantly. Automated bank reconciliation for no more manual matching errors. Automatic purchase entry via Gmail to save time and skip data entry. Centralized management dashboard to monitor everything in real time. Seamless tax and GST compliance with instant return filing and tax accuracy. Multi-branch management, sync inventory, sales, and customers across all stores. Easy exchange and return management for process refunds and replacements seamlessly. Why is Logic ERP the future of apparel retail management? Seamless multi-outlet operations. Inventory management with size, color, and article tracking. Omni-channel integration for modern retail. Accounting and financial management. Real-time data-driven decision-making. Enhanced customer loyalty programs. Inventory-wise track products by age. Advanced security and access control. Smart pricing and margin protection. POS-compatible multiple payment integration. Employee management and permissions. Salesperson commission management. Multiple attributes management. Promotional gift coupons and vouchers. Retail AI automation. Why choose Logic ERP Garment Retail Software for your clothing business? 30+ years of ERP excellence. 200+ experienced ERP experts. Easy personalization and deployment. Personalized training and support. Fast and easy implementation. Digital-ready ERP with third-party plugins and API. List of top garment brands scripted their business success with Logic ERP software. Client testimonial. Hear it from top apparel brands that trust us. Get Logic ERP #1 Garment Retail ERP software. Book a free ERP live demo. Call us at +917341141176. Send your inquiries to sales@logicerp.com. Get Logic ERP software today.